Looking for affordable home ready for occupancy for just 1.4M and 112 equity.
Dito lang yan sa Cherry Verde Homes, Barangay Tinurik, Tanawan, Batangas.
Welcome to Cattleya Model. Spacious ang carport na may lot area 51 square meter and floor area 47 square meter. Bird type upon turnover ang bahay, kaya malaya kang i-design ng ayon sa gusto mo. Open space living and dining, service area at 1 bathroom na may provision of 2 bedrooms, kaya malaya kang i-customize depende sa pangangailangan. 1 tricycle ride away lang ito from Victory Mall at 11 minutes away from Tanawan exit. May main gate with 24/7 security at project perimeter fence, kaya secured ang pamilya mo. May basketball courts at parks and playground at multi-purpose building, perfect venue para sa community events. 8 RFU units na lang po ang natitira, kaya tara na, samahan namin kayo for tripping and pass approval. At kung kayo ay interested, just call or message at your Dream Home Vibe page. Pangarap mong bahay ay matutupad kasama ang Your Dream Home Vibes at di ka nauupa habang buhay.